Hello, viewers, and welcome to today's vlog. But this is really a conversation we are going to have. It sounds like it's going to be one way, but nevertheless quite important because today we are talking about green card lottery. Some people call it DV or diversity visa. This topic is important, more important for people who want to move into the United States legally, that is. And the reason I want to talk about this is because the registration for that green card lottery for fiscal year 2026, DV 2026, has already begun. Remember that this runs for a whole month, and after that you have to wait for the next one. So this one opened on Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024 at 12 p.m. afternoon, or noon if you like. Now, often referred to as the green card lottery, DV 2026 is the only, now pay attention to this, it is the only official lottery program for immigrant visas to the United States. And I must emphasize here, for people who have been conned or who have been trying to go to people asking that they pay a certain amount of money so that it's taken to the U.S. Embassy, blah, blah, blah. That is all BS. That is not helping anyone. The program itself is absolutely free. But of course, if you are enlisting the services of someone else, they might charge you a fee, but that's just for the filling in the application. But otherwise, the process itself has nothing to do with people outside the U.S. government. So, and I'm talking about this because I know there are quite a number of people who have been conned around the world, in fact, by people who pretend to be working for the U.S. government, or that they have some connections, quote unquote, and so they have ended up losing their money. In fact, there are some crooked, I can call them so, crooked people, crooks, who even have very well done websites that pretend to be of offering those services, and they can easily draw people to them, and that has happened before. So I'm emphasizing that fact, that the United States government does not charge even a penny for this program. Okay, having said that, let's continue. The registration opened at noon Eastern Daylight Time on Wednesday, as I have said, and will close on Tuesday, November 5th, 2024. And after that, as I said, the program will be closed and you have to wait for another one to open. That usually a whole year after that. So this is the right time for you to try your luck. And just a little background, this is an annual U.S. government-sponsored program, and it offers over 50,000 immigrant visas to individuals from countries which have historically low immigration rates to the United States. And these ones, they include Kenya. They also include Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados, Dominica, Grenada, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Lucia and Saint Vincent, and the Grenadines. All these, as you can tell, are actually, most of them, I should say, are highlands, not highlands, but islands in the southern part of the Americas. The application process is free and can only be completed online. And if you like, you can go to ksnmedia.com and you will see the link there. But I can also share this with you if you have a pen and paper. dvprogram.state.gov. You start with HTTPS. This is secure. // dvprogram.state.gov. That is, like www.dvprogram.state.gov, and you will be able to get in there, and that is a secure website, and you cannot be conned when you are in there. Any website that is requesting a fee, as I said, for this application is totally not affiliated with the United States government. Applicants are strongly advised not to wait until the final week of the registration period to submit their entries, because high demand during the last days may cause the website to have delays, and that is understandable, especially because I think it's human nature that people want to wait until the last minute. The very first days, people say, we still have time, and then they all realize towards the end of the period that they really don't have time. And remember that there are no entries that will be accepted after that time that I spoke about, 12 noon on November 5, 2024. When registering, this is important information, applicants must print and save their confirmation page with a unique confirmation code to check the status of their entry. And this is crucial that you keep this page very safe, as the embassy cannot replace the confirmation code. This is certainly extremely important, because there have been reported cases of people who lose this code, and when the time comes, actually there have been people, after losing this code, they actually win this lottery, but because they don't have the code, they end up losing the whole thing, including the United States government cannot really help in that kind of situation. Therefore, just to emphasize the importance, utmost important, the need for keeping this very safe, so that you can refer to it. I would recommend, for example, that once you get this code, you send it to yourself via email. You can try to disguise it with some letters before it or something, so that again you don't wrongly have it accessed by people who should not access it. But that's very unlikely. So I recommend that you go to your email yourself this confirmation code, and remember that you have done so that 1 year from now, when they start releasing the results, you can go there and get that code. You will remember that you emailed it to yourself, so nobody else would be having it, and that way you do not stand a chance of losing it. Say, for example, if you just wrote it on a piece of paper and then you misplaced it. The good thing with the digital records is chances of losing that are very, very slim, unless of course you lose your email privileges, which again is very unlikely. If you have had your email for a long time, there is no reason you should lose it. So that's important. It's just one of the ways. But if you have other ways that you securely can keep your information, you are most welcome to do that. But the most important thing is to make sure that you do not lose this very, very important piece of confirmation code or piece of information. Now, starting May 3rd, 2025, that is next year, entrants can use that confirmation number to check if they were selected via the online entrant status on that website that I gave you the address to, which is https //dvprogram.state.gov, and successful entrants will receive instructions of visa interview appointments. Now remember this, they will call you for interview appointments, and this will also be made through the entrant status check. The applicants will not receive notification letters by mail, email, or phone. And remember, any third party contact claiming to the applicant claiming that the applicant has won this lottery will effectively be fraudulent and cannot be trusted. It is the applicant's sole responsibility to check that website for notification of selection. Okay, I think that information is extremely clear, and unless you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments section, and certainly we are going to respond. If you see any questions or comments, we can always get to discuss this in the comments section. But before we end this, I think it's also important to mention that the diversity visa applicants should be very vigilant against fraudulent emails, websites, and letters that claim to be part of the application process, because there will be scammers who will come as the agents of the US government. Sometimes they try to extract funds, and I think we have talked about this before. They will also try to access banking information, and this can be extremely detrimental to you, because you never know what else they might be able to do once they get very sensitive information. And applicants are also reminded that there is no fee to apply for a DV visa, and that the US government does not request any payment through email or letter or otherwise. Okay, I think we are clear there. If you need any further information about the entry requirements, and also you can check the frequently asked questions about this program, please visit our website ksnmedia.com, or you can also visit the dvprogram.state.gov, and you will get all the information there. I think we have exhausted the most important information. I think you got that most important information right there, and if we add any more right now, I think we might end up repeating ourselves. But remember, you can always comment in the comment section if you have any issue that you would like addressed. But for now, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button so that you also get informed or told when there is new stuff being posted here on this channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and we hope that this information has been of use or will be of use to you going forward. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.